Alternatives to detoxification methods. There are many people who insist that detoxification of the body is essential to keeping your body clean of foreign substances and making yourself healthier. However, there are plenty of other ways to accomplish these same goals without going through specific rigorous and intense detoxification instructions. Even though detoxification methods have proven themselves effective, and thousands of people do adhere to them, here are some other detoxification methods that you may or may not have thought about. Aromatherapy. This alternative detoxification method is already used by very many people throughout the world, and it is a very old practice that has recently been popular in Western society and the United States. The principle of aromatherapy, though, rests on the fact that breathing in vapors and scents through certain aromas will help the body rid itself of the toxins. These specific aromas that can be used can usually be purchased at health food and other grocery stores. Some of the aromatherapy can be used while giving yourself a hot bath or shower. If taking a bath, then the oils and vapors can be added directly to the water that you're soaking in. People believe that the toxins in the body will leave once the water, vapors, and oils are soaked into the skin, as well as breathed in through the nose. Aromatherapy definitely is an interesting alternative to following rigid detoxification methods, though, and there are people all over the world that claim that it works just as well, if not better. Acupuncture. Just like aromatherapy, acupuncture was used in Eastern societies many centuries ago, and it has come to Western societies today in order to bring good health to everyone. Acupuncture can be used as an alternative to detoxification because it is believed that the needles that are placed in the skin have something to do with the pressure points on the body. These pressure points, though, the pressure of the needles, will be able to relax and detoxify the body. There are all sorts of people who perform acupuncture on a regular basis, and many people contend that acupuncture is an excellent alternative to drinking natural juices, soups, and other raw vegetables for a whole week, which is what many detoxification methods require. Healthy diet. Among other things, studies have shown that people who engage in healthy diets will be healthier than others across the board. Millions of people continue to eat healthy every day, having whole wheat sandwiches instead of Big Macs, cooking eggs instead of eating restaurant eggs, as well as just eating better in general. Putting yourself on a healthy diet will probably benefit you more than any other detoxification method ever could, simply because you are not restricting yourself to what you can eat. On the other hand, detoxification methods usually call upon the body to give up food for 1 or 2 days, while pureed and blended juices need to be digested. All in all, though, these are some definite alternative detoxification methods that truly work. Even though many people still engage in detoxification methods because they work, it is certainly nice to know that there are other alternatives available.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.